Welcome to a Stampede tutorial. Today we're going to be covering how to use stories, what to promote, how to promote it, and just how useful it can be to your site. So just right here, you can see that I already have 3 stories set up. We got Welcome to Loki's Bar, Christmas booking one, and live music. So these 3 are achieving the same thing in 3 different criteria. So this one is promoting a product, a brand new product that's in this case cocktails. What this one's promoting is seasonal bookings. So this has an emphasis on 2 things: letting people know that you are doing something for the season that's coming up, and along with that, it's also promoting direct bookings onto your venue. So this is especially applicable to places like hotels where they want to be promoting direct bookings through their website. And then you'll have the example of live music. So say there was going to be a concert on your site or any kind of event that you want people to know about. Stories is one of the best places to put it. You'll be able to keep track of how many times people have seen these and how many times they've clicked on them. It's displayed here in a general sense. So in this case, it'll apply for all 3 of them: impressions against clicks. It's a bit empty. This is my test site, so that's just how it is just now. But as time progresses, your site will get a lot better, and you'll see these things grow, and it'll be simply amazing just how much exposure you get to your listings and products and everything through this. If you just hit edit here, you'll be able to see how to edit your story. If I were to say add an exclamation mark here, it's going to add it in real time. They are delicious. Just like that. It's very, very easy to edit these. The important bit here is link URL. Make sure to add a URL that's relevant to what you're promoting here. If, say, it were the direct booking one, you'd be adding a link to your website's booking system, and then just a relevant text for the actual click me link. So in this case, it's view menu, but it really varies depending on what you need. And just creating a new image is very, very easy. All you need to do is hit the new story page bit here, change background, select the adequate image that you'd like. You can also go through your own images by clicking here. Just select it and then add the text freely as I showed you before. And then after, you just hit save, and that's your story ready to go. You can always just edit them at any time. So if you just want to add a title, so like you can just add it here. Stories. Welcome to my venue. And just like I did that, you can do any story and just start promoting your venue like in a super efficient way, just like that. It's extremely easy. And yeah, if you have any questions, just feel free to get in touch. I'm part of the support team. My name is Max, and thank you very much for your attention.